Hey everybody, I'm here on the $1 Million Highway between Silverton and Ouray. Man, this road is more than just a highway. This is an experience. Now I know why they call it Colorado's most stunning drive. If you're ever close to this area of the country, I highly recommend this drive. Dandelions are often dismissed as stubborn weeds, but in reality, they're incredibly valuable plants with a long history of usefulness. Their goodness extends across nutrition and medicine. Edible from the root to the flower, every part of the dandelion can be eaten. The leaves are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and E, as well as calcium, iron, and magnesium. They make a refreshing addition to salads. The roots can be roasted and brewed in coffees. The flower can be used for food and drinks, such as tea and wine. But typically, dandelion tea is made from the petals and leaves, although the root is often ground and used as well. This humble plant, often dismissed as a mere weed, is a treasure trove of health benefits. From its role in reducing inflammation and managing body weight to its potential in treating cancer, the benefits of dandelion root are vast and varied. In short, dandelions are not weeds to be eradicated, but gifts to be appreciated.